Racing, Jesse started with Yanni. No, Iana, break quickly, restart. Running by the rail comes twice as Lucky Charm. Offensive is racing in third. Rochelle's Gift is down in fourth. Then comes Babe's Magic. Next on line in Triguero. Well sharp as ever is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have twice as Lucky, followed closely by Yanni. No, Iana in second. Charm Offensive is racing in third, and in fourth comes Rochelle's Gift, then comes Intriguero. Babe's Magic, while sharp as ever, is still racing in less. Inside the tres octavo, we have twice as Lucky. Iani, no, Iana, now moving upon the outside. Charm Offensive is racing in third, and in fourth comes Rochelle's Gift, then comes Intriguero. Babe's Magic, while sharp as ever, is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. Iani, no, Iana, down again is twice as Lucky. Moving upon the outside is Charm Offensive. Last 100 meters, we have Iani. No, Iana, by rolling any up over twice as Lucky. And finally, Iani, no, Iana. Twice as Lucky, Charm Offensive. Then comes Rochelle's Gift.
Alright, number 6, Yani No Yana, ang siyang unang tumunod sa ating finish line, ridden by Mark Alvarez. Then masisiguin rin, Dihado. Number 4, Twice as Lucky. Then Charm Offensive, Rochelle's Gift. Yan.